जब हमने कंपनी स्टार्ट की थी तो एक टाइम था जब मैं सिर्फ 4-5 घंटे सोती थी दिन में। आप उस जोन में चले जाते हो कि काम ही सब कुछ है। तो वो 1-1.5 साल किया और उसके बाद मैं इतना लंबा बीमार हुई। एंड देन आई रियलाइज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ हेल्थ. And then after that, with these food habits, supplements, no sugar, no milk, etc. kind of diet, I've now come back to 63, 64.
So what you did? What was the first thing?
I think the first thing that I did was I used to eat mindlessly. I started eating mindfully. So week में at least 3 दिन I try and do intermittent fasting. Snacking is a crime. टेस्ट कर लेती हूँ, थोड़ा सा खा लेती हूँ, छोटी सी बर्फी का टुकड़ा जो I think that's like you have to let go of that. No sugar, no dairy has transformed my life. Both of my pregnancies, I gained 30 kgs of weight. And for 9 months, I had mutton for lunch and dinner.
Do you also take all these detox drinks in between?
ABC juice is something that I feel has really helped me.
How is the ghazal right now and is different than the teenager ghazal?
I think the teenage ghazal was...
आप में से बहुत लोगों का ये सवाल होता है कि वर्क रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, फैमिली, बच्चे, इन सभी के साथ हम अपनी हेल्थ के लिए वक्त कैसे निकालें, डाइट को कैसे मैनेज करें, स्ट्रेस ईटिंग और क्रेविंग से कैसे बचें, वर्कआउट के लिए टाइम कैसे निकालें। तो आज मैंने गजल के साथ एक हार्ट टू हार्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन की और जाना कि वो ये सभी चीजें कैसे मैनेज करती हैं। गजल अलग, जो मामा अर्थ, डर्माको, एक्वालॉजिका, बी ब्लंट की फाउंडर हैं। आपने इन्हें शार्क टैंक पे भी देखा ही होगा। सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड हाउ गजल मैनेजेस वर्क, फैमिली, ट्रैवल, हेल्थ, एवरीथिंग टुगेदर। Ghazal, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
It's such a pleasure to have you here today.
It is such a pleasure to be here. Thank you so much for having me.
Let me just tell you a little bit about our audience. आज जो viewers हमें सुन रहे हैं वो सभी लोग बहुत career oriented हैं. They have family, they have kids and they understand the value of health. वो health conscious हैं, which is why they follow me, which is why they're on this channel. But somehow वो इन सभी चीज़ों को बैलेंस नहीं कर पाते. दे फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट. क्योंकि मुझे बहुत से ऐसे डीएम्स आते हैं, क्वेरीज आती हैं कि मेरा काम है, मेरी फैमिली है, बच्चे हैं, इन लॉज हैं, तो ऐसे में हम हेल्थ को कैसे प्रायोरिटाइज करें, मैं डाइट कैसे करूँ, मेरे पास जिम जाने का वक्त ही नहीं है, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. सो विच इज़ वाई आई थॉट कि अगर आपके साथ ही एक परफेक्ट टॉपिक रहेगा टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम यू दैट हाउ आर यू बैलेंसिंग एवरीथिंग. So that's gonna be the topic of our today's discussion.
ये सारी problems मुझे भी आती हैं. मैं भी नहीं कह सकती कि मैं बहुत religious हूँ अपनी routine के साथ. There are days when you have to prioritize other things and चीज़ें मुश्किल हो जाती हैं. कई बार बच्चे होते हैं, responsibilities ज़्यादा होती है, कहीं और time देना होता है. I think अपना बेस्ट करने की कोशिश करो और जहाँ कंसिस्टेंसी डेवलप कर सकते हो छोटी छोटी चीज़ों पे, आई थिंक वहाँ कंसिस्टेंसी डेवलप करो. दैट्स माय कोर मंत्रा.
अभी आई थिंक अगर आज की ही मैं बात करूँ तो आई थिंक आपकी आज मॉर्निंग में भी कुछ मीटिंग्स थी, देन यू आर डूइंग बैक टू बैक पॉडकास्ट. इतनी एनर्जी कहाँ से आ रही है?
आई थिंक एनर्जी आती है व्हेन आई एम सिटिंग विद द राइट काइंड ऑफ पीपल. जो मीटिंग्स थी वो ऑफिस में थी, टीम के साथ थी, पार्टनर्स के साथ थी, तो वी आर टॉकिंग वर्क, वी आर टॉकिंग और क्या कर सकते हैं, डिफरेंट कर सकते हैं. तो दैट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग. प्रॉब्लम भी अगर हम सॉल्व कर रहे होते हैं कोई, तो उसमें भी जस्ट लाइक प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई करना आई थिंक मुश्किल होता है. एक बार ही प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई कर लो तो कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, क्या 3-4 चीज़ें कर सकते हैं, दैट गिव्स यू एनर्जी. Like meeting you today is giving me energy because you're such an energetic person, and I would like I share, I take inspiration from everyone that I meet. And ये two-way street होता है. I think infectious होती है कई लोगों की energy, like yours is. So I think it's all about, are you loving what you're doing? Is your heart in the right place? Right. If it is, it will automatically bring in like I don't think I have a lot of energy, but I think that when I'm with the right kind of people, I open up. And that seems like energy.
But do you think that your lifestyle, your diet, your regimen has something to do with it?
So यार मैंने बहुत कुछ चेंज किया अपने बारे में. I think in the
Really?
last 2.5-3 years I've always been conscious about my health. जब हमने कंपनी स्टार्ट की थी तो एक टाइम था जब मैं सिर्फ 4-5 घंटे सोती थी दिन में.
Really?
Because my kid was very young. And then हम नई कंपनी बिल्ड कर रहे थे. मामा अर्थ वाज अ न्यू ब्रांड देन. एंड यू नो आप उस जोन में चले जाते हो कि काम ही सब कुछ है. तो वो 1-1.5 साल किया और उसके बाद मैं इतना लंबा बीमार हुई. एंड देन आई रियलाइज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ हेल्थ. एंड मुझे सडनली रियलाइज हुआ कि यार मैंने इतनी मेहनत की और अब मैं 15 दिन से बेड से उठ नहीं पा रही हूँ. मैंने कुछ तो गलत किया है. एंड जैसे वो कहते हैं ना, इट्स नॉट अबाउट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, इट इज अबाउट कंसिस्टेंटली बिल्डिंग एंड हैविंग हैबिट्स जो आप लॉन्ग टर्म में लेके जा सकते हो. तो उस टाइम पे मैंने रियलाइज कर लिया था कि यार ये 4-5 घंटा सोना एंड अपने हेल्थ पे फोकस ना करना इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. बिकॉज हेल्थ है तो आप अपनी ड्रीम्स फुलफिल कर सकते हो. यू कैन डू एवरीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू डू. यू कैन टेक केयर ऑफ द पीपल अराउंड यू दैट यू लव. बट अगर आप ही की हेल्थ नहीं है तो आप काम पे भी कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. आप पर्सनल लाइफ में लाइक आप अपने the people that you love, they are taking care of you instead of you doing something for them, including your child. Like my child also suffered. Like, he couldn't get, I couldn't take care of him. So
you can't fill from an empty cup.
Yeah, that was a turning point in my life which is where I said कि यार सब कुछ ना थोड़े proportion में, everything is important, but most important it is your health. Right?
So what you did, like when you realized कि मैंने अपनी हेल्थ को हमेशा कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया है, what was the first thing?
So I think the first thing that I did was I used to eat mindlessly. I started eating mindfully. तो कुछ भी मिल रहा है, कुछ भी खा रहे हो, कोई मील्स का टाइम नहीं है, you're not focusing on that at all. When like कुछ दिन हैं जब आप पूरा दिन कुछ नहीं खा रहे हो और रात को आप जंक फूड खा रहे हो just to fulfill that. I also realized कि मेरे को स्ट्रेस ईटिंग की हैबिट है. तो जैसे ही काम पे स्ट्रेस बढ़ता है, या तो मैं खूब कुछ मीठा खाऊंगी या मैं खूब कुछ सॉल्टी खाऊंगी, एंड इट ऑल कम्स फ्रॉम जंक फूड अगेन, व्हिच इज नॉट हेल्दी. सो आई थिंक द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई करेक्टेड वाज माय फूड. आई पुट अ टाइम टू ऑल ऑफ माय मील्स. तो ब्रेकफास्ट जो है इतने टाइम पे होना चाहिए, लंच इतने टाइम पे होना चाहिए, डिनर इतने टाइम पे होना चाहिए. घर के खाने पे फोकस किया, बाहर का खाना कट डाउन किया. आई थिंक पैरेलली मैंने सप्लीमेंट्स शुरू किए जो मैं आज तक भी लेती हूँ, which is like basic supplements for women, right? Iron, B12, vitamin D, calcium. सिर्फ supplementing right also really helps you feel better on a day-to-day basis. Every 6 months blood tests लेने शुरू किए. So I get my blood tested to see कि सारे parameters, because that was the first sign where things were off. And after that I fell sick for like 20 days. तो अब मैं हर 6 महीने में चेक करती हूँ, because
the full body checkup,
saying everything सब कुछ in line है, कहाँ पे क्या मिस हो रहा है, कहीं पे डॉक्टर का इंटरवेंशन जरूरत है. And I didn't do it just for myself. मैं पूरी फैमिली के लिए कराना शुरू किया. तो like yearly health checkups and then every 6 months blood tests is what we do. Working out in some form.
Okay.
और वो डिपेंड करता है मेरा मूड कैसा है. तो मैं हार्डकोर किसी एक तरीके के वर्कआउट से नहीं स्टिक करती हूँ.
You keep it flexible.
I keep it flexible. So in between I used to go to the gym and I did a lot of weight training for 6 months. But उसके बाद जैसे अभी मैं बात करूँ तो काम का स्ट्रेस थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है. एंड जब काम का स्ट्रेस ज़्यादा होता है तो आप सुबह उठते ही उसके बारे में सोच रहे होते हो. अब उस टाइम पे जिम जाना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. तो मैंने फिर अपने आप को लाइक आई एम ओके कि यार अभी थोड़े टाइम जिम नहीं जाएंगे, बट वॉक करेंगे रोज.
At least
something, right? So when you're walking, then you're stretching, then you're doing certain, चाहे वो योगा एक्सरसाइजेज हो, चाहे वो just stretching exercises हो, तो कुछ movement every day is that's constant. That's where I maintain consistency.
And I think those small little things that you can do in your daily life, like taking stairs instead of
Yes.
You know, escalators, elevators, that's a change in itself.
So मेरे पुराने ऑफिस में हम लोग 4th फ्लोर पे थे. तो मैं पुराने ऑफिस में कभी भी लिफ्ट नहीं लेती थी.
अच्छा.
कभी भी लिफ्ट नहीं लेती थी, बिकॉज स्मॉल चेंज है, 5 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा है, बट आप वो 4 फ्लोर्स चढ़ लोगे. एंड इवन इफ यू हैव नॉट गॉटन टाइम टू वर्क आउट, यू नो यू आर लाइक क्लाइंबिंग दीज. सो सुबह गए, फिर लंच पे नीचे आए, फिर लंच पे वापस गए, फिर शाम को वापस नीचे आए, वही मूवमेंट हो गई.
एटलीस्ट सम कार्डियो तो हो गया.
some movement. तो आई थिंक one philosophy that I have is some kind of movement every day. अब वो कुछ डेज पे where you feel really good, you go to the gym.
Yeah.
कुछ डेज पे where you want peace of mind and you want your brain to shut up, you can pick up yoga.
Yeah.
कुछ दिनों पे when you are like really tired, सिर्फ
हम्म।
वॉक पे चले जाओ. And then I reward myself. जैसे जब वापस आ रही होंगी ना तो ब्लैक कॉफी पी के आऊंगी. I reward
healthy
myself
in
on
itself.
everything, even on food. The
Yeah.
change that I've brought is 5 days of the week जैसे हम काम
हाँ,
करते हैं, हम खाना प्रॉपरली खाएंगे, घर का खाना खाएंगे, कुछ मीठा नहीं खाएंगे. बट जैसे ही वीकेंड आएगा ना तो 2 मील्स बाहर के खाएंगे. अब वो बाहर की भी जब आपने खाना है देन यू कैन ऑप्ट कि यार ओके आई एम ओनली गोइंग टू गेट प्रोटीन, आई एम गोइंग टू लिमिट द कार्ब्स, आई एम गोइंग टू नॉट ईट शुगर. सो दोज काइंड ऑफ कॉन्शियस चॉइसेस दैट यू
Do you
मेक.
pre-plan your treat days? Do you pre-plan कि
हाँ.
इस बार संडे मुझे ये खाना है?
I have 2 treat days. It used to be weekends. Now I've changed them. Last, I think 2-3 महीने से. Now I treat myself midweek as well. So it's a Wednesday dinner where I know कि यार midweek आ गया. Like you're doing good. Time to have something really nice. So I order in whatever I feel like, and then I eat carbs as well. And then it's either a Saturday dinner or a Sunday dinner, one out of the two, wherever we feel like going out and having like our special time, Varun, me, with the kids, etc. So we do that.
I think that's a good idea क्योंकि usually हम लोग क्या करते हैं, Saturday, Sunday we indulge like
Yeah.
2 days back to back and then
Yeah.
Monday to Friday we try to stick
Yes.
to a healthy diet.
Yes.
However, I really like this idea a lot कि 5 दिन क्यों करना है, उसके जगह midweek and then
बिल्कुल.
a Sunday. I think
Then
that's
you also
good.
get that break. Then you're also
Yeah.
your body also adjusts to it. You also know कि यार life is good. It's not as
Yeah.
bad. Like even weeks are good. You look forward to Wednesdays.
Yes, yes.
So I do a lot of that. I किसी भी चीज को गेमिफाई कर दो और उस पे एक्साइटमेंट ले आओ ना.
हाँ.
It just changes. Then
Yes.
it from becoming very difficult and like you feeling demotivated, you start feeling better.
Looking forward to it.
Yes,
And
yes. So for example, even if now we are going on vacations, so one thing that we ensure is our morning walks and evening walks. So even if
while on the vacation.
अगर नहीं भी जाने का मन कर रहा जिम में and आप genuinely छुट्टी लेना चाहते हो, like fully take it ना. Don't be in half mind saying जाना था नहीं जा पाए. That's like a very bad state to be in because you always constantly feel sad.
Then that guilt also comes into the picture.
Yeah.
कि वो एक शायद नहीं वो फेलियर वाला टैग भी फील होता है
बिल्कुल.
कि मैंने कुछ सोचा था और मैं नहीं कर पाई.
Absolutely.
So it's better to plan less and
Absolutely.
then at least do it.
Absolutely. And then like the fifth thing that I do is I have a weighing scale in my washroom and I ensure that once a week I am jumping onto that to just see कि यार dude, this is your bracket.
Yes.
है ना वो एक like it's a self check that you do
Right.
and you know if it is coming off time to correct. So rather than कि इकट्ठा 5 किलो 8 किलो बढ़ गया और तब आपको realize हो रहा है कि oh God what happened. Even if 500 grams या 1 किलो बढ़ रहा है you know boss time to check. Then छोटी छोटी चीजें भी मिस करने से वो रिवर्स काफी जल्दी हो जाता है rather than gaining something over a large period of time and then trying to correct it.
Absolutely. मतलब उसको उस लेवल पे
जाने ही मत
क्यों
दो.
देना,
बिल्कुल.
पहले ही उसको.
Absolutely.
So I think once in a week is something that works for you.
Yes.
Because यहाँ पे भी लोगों के बहुत doubts होते हैं. Should we weigh ourselves every single day?
यार
So
वो
there are two
बहुत
thought
mental
processes.
pressure है.
वो pressure
वो
create करता
बहुत
है,
mental
right?
pressure and I think on a daily basis ना it's not just about you might be doing everything right, right? But just because you haven't slept and water retention has happened, आपका वेट थोड़ा सा ऊपर आ जाता है. तो वो क्या होता है कि सुबह सुबह rather than feeling good about your body and about yourself, you start feeling sad that oh my God, stuff is so wrong. And I think you don't have to take that mental pressure. If you're following, if you know कि यार largely मेरा bracket off नहीं है and this is the flexibility that I give to myself and this is the consistency with which I will do my movements,
Yeah.
you're largely sorted. See, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है it's 80% is about the food that you eat.
Right.
And 20% is about the movement that you have in your day. So if you do, for example, a lot of movement during the day, even if you're not going to the gym, you will not be significantly off. Of course, you can get stronger by weightlifting, by
Yes.
working out, by strength training, but that's on top of the basic hygiene that you need to follow.
Right,
If there is no movement, that's a bigger problem. And your food needs to be right. Very, very, very important.
That's non-negotiable.
That's a non-negotiable. 80% of the concerns get taken care of if you're eating right.
Right.
So for example, for me, no sugar, no dairy has transformed my life, I would say. Like the way my energy levels went up, my skin started feeling, my body started responding, was very different. I think sugar is so bad, so bad. And it is so surprising. My son, he's 10 years old. He's a big soccer fan. So he plays with BIFA, he trains with them. You know, he doesn't eat anything which has sugar in it.
Really?
And not like मैंने समझाया या मैंने सिखाया या मुझे तो इतनी लेट लाइफ में समझ में आया है कि शुगर नहीं लेना चाहिए.
तो ये कैसे उसको
But,
ज्ञान की प्राप्ति हुई?
पता नहीं कैसे ज्ञान की प्राप्ति हुई यार. I think it is because he's in that BIFA ecosystem. Everybody talks about health, fitness. He's a very big Ronaldo fan. So somewhere from there, his coach on what's the right food for you to eat. So for example, he by choice doesn't eat parantha. And I think this Gen Alpha is growing up so differently.
Yes.
They are so aware.
Oh God.
Yeah.
And
they
that's
know.
so good.
They're so
good.
conscious about what they eat. Like if I don't go to the gym, my son, you being lazy. I'm like,
हमें तो उस वक्त ये कार्ब, प्रोटीन, फैट्स भी नहीं पता थे. ये कुछ
nothing.
Basics भी नहीं पता थे.
And yeah. I have actually gotten to know a lot about it after I've had kids. So I've had like both of my pregnancies, I gained 30 kgs of weight. So even when I was in Shark Tank, I was pregnant.
You looked very different in
Yes,
Shark Tank.
because I was 7 months pregnant.
Yeah.
And I was almost 28 kgs up from my usual weight. And मेरे साथ क्या होता है ना, even when I deliver, तो baby तो वही 2-2.5 किलो का आता है बाहर, बाकी सारा weight stays. So like the first time it happened, I was asking the doctor, I said, like, ये कहाँ जाएगा बाकी? What do I do with this? Because in your mind you feel the baby will come out and all the weight will be gone.
Yeah.
And I've never seen myself fat, right? So it makes me very uncomfortable. So even at that time, and even with my second child, Ayan, in both the times, first time 30 kgs, second time 32 kgs. But like when you are aware and you take some of these right calls, then you're able to reverse it as well. I think 3 months after delivery, I was back to being, I went up till 83, 84 kgs. I was back to 70. And then after that, with these food habits, supplements, no sugar, no milk, etc. kind of diet, I've now come back to 63, 64.
Wow.
And now this I know is my safe. So 63, 64, 64.5 पे मेरे को discomfort होना शुरू हो जाता है. भाई ये इसके बाद बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. So like tell yourself, signals start coming in saying, boss, time to stop, pause, reflect, what is going wrong. Correct.
Then वो सब कुछ पीछे हो जाता है और सब priority 1 हो जाता है. फिर आपका routine and everything.
And I also know, like, if I go below 63, I start looking very bad. So I also know that it's not just one side कि कमी कम होने रहा है ना. You should come to a point where you're aware what is that comfort weight in which you look good, you feel good.
Right.
Because beyond that, then you also start losing energy, and then you don't like आप पतले तो हो रहे हो and you're happy about it, but if you don't look good or feel good, it's not worth it.
Because some people, they go crazy about it.
Yeah.
कि एक बार lose करना start कर दे, they don't get satisfied.
Yes.
उनको लगता है कि नहीं अभी और भी करना है.
It's a rush के you just, but I don't think that's the right thing to do.
So it's a good point as well that you should know कहाँ पे रुकना है. And now start enjoying.
Yes, and more importantly, how you feel.
Yeah.
Keep a check on how are you feeling. If you're continuing to feel good as you're reducing weight, that's the best place to be.
Right.
If you feel that I'm reducing weight, but I'm feeling like,
it's not
I don't have energy, I don't have glow on my skin, I'm not able to do what I want to do, then you should also know it's not worth it.
Right. Absolutely.
What's off? What do we correct?
So आपके ये पूरे जो जर्नी आपने स्टार्ट की, all those changes जो आप अपनी लाइफ में लेकर आए, what was the source of all this knowledge? कहाँ से आप सीख रहे थे?
So I think after my first pregnancy, I actually joined a dietitian.
Okay.
I actually started working with her pre-pregnancy because my pregnancies were not as easy. So मेरे को ना iron supplement लेना होता है ना, iron and folic acid.
Yes.
Iron externally मैं ले नहीं पाती. So during
Achha.
pregnancy, I have to ensure that I'm eating food which is very,
Rich in
very
iron.
rich in iron.
Okay.
So I still remember my doctor had put me on mutton diet to be cooked in a steel ka patila. And for 9 months, I had mutton for lunch and dinner.
Oh.
Because that was the only way I could get
You could
proper
get-
iron. Otherwise, iron नहीं जाता, baby को blood supply नहीं जाता, and that becomes dangerous for baby's life. And external, like I would have tried at least 50 different external iron supplements. Nothing suits me till date.
Mhm.
So that is where I started working with her. And then I realized that the way she's talking to me or educating me around food, it's something
Yeah.
that I'm not aware. And I continued to work with her for 3 months more after delivery. But after that, मुझे basic समझ में आ गए थे. So when, you know, it also then generates curiosity. Then you start reading about it. Then you pick up books. Then you also Google. You test a lot of things. It started with that.
Okay.
And I think then health just became a priority for me. Because I knew that if I'm healthy, I'm able to do far more. Be it at work, be it in my personal life, be it for the people around me that I want to care for. Like early on, there were episodes when every year, possibly twice a year, I was getting hospitalized. It was
Because of stress and too
stress,
much work.
yes,
And,
yes. So like that stress, bad food habits, not working out, giving yourself excuses. बहुत बार हम it's about the stories we tell ourselves, right? तो बहुत बार आप अपने आप को बोलते हैं यार मैं काम में बहुत बिजी हूँ, मेरे पास नहीं है इस चीज़ के लिए टाइम, I can't do it. या मेरे को स्ट्रेस इतना ज़्यादा हो रहा है इसलिए मैंने खा लिया, मतलब I know I shouldn't have eaten it, but I ate.
Yeah.
How do you come out of that
Emotional
loop
eating and
is
all
very,
these
very
things.
important, and that helped me do that.
I think that's exactly what we are trying to discuss here, because a lot of our viewers, they are stuck in this loop.
Yeah.
The very same loop of stress है, workload बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो खा लेते हैं, time नहीं है तो workout नहीं करते हैं. Let's just help them to understand कि शायद ये सब करके ही आपकी problems, यही सब problems का solution है.
Yeah, and absolutely. So वो मैंने पता है क्या किया था? I changed the narrative. I said बहुत ज़्यादा stress है यार, खा लिया. Identify. Stress है. अब तेरी body मांगेगी मीठा. Don't give it. Because that's like you're feeding that, you know, you're feeding something that you don't want to grow on you. So you become conscious. And जहाँ लगे कि भूख लगी है, eat nuts. चिप्स को रिप्लेस कर दो ना, नट्स रखो, बादाम रखो, पिस्ता रखो. मीठा खाने की क्रेविंग है, कोई बात नहीं, हैव लाइक दोज यू नो ब्लूबेरीज, ड्राइड ब्लूबेरीज, नेचुरल ब्लूबेरीज, नो प्रेजर्वेटिव्स, और हैव सोगी. I eat a lot of that with my nuts every day. Every day I eat it, and that helps me
your sugar cravings as
that
well.
curbs.
अगर आप उठ के मॉर्निंग में ही खुद ही अगर कुछ रेजिन्स इस तरह की चीजें खा लोगे, डेट्स, dried apricots.
Yes.
I also eat them. Anjeer.
So healthy.
Exactly.
Such a superfood. You can incorporate that. And जो दूसरा चीज मैंने किया था ना, it is, I figured that it's a 20 second pang. So whenever my mind told me that I want to eat this cake, like backward count karo, 20 to 0.
Oh wow.
In that 20 to 0, your mind tells you not worth it. And then your mind gets trained. Then you don't have to actively think about it. The moment you will look at something, you will know, indulge.
Yes.
Is it worth it? And then some days are there when you feel it's worth it. Yeah, it's my birthday. It's worth it. It's my friend's wedding. It's worth it, right? I'm going out after 6 months. It's worth it. Then you eat it. Then you indulge. You consciously indulge. But your brain at least still signals you to weigh your options. And I think वहाँ से ना आप फिर correct
थोड़ा
habit
mindful
formation.
हो जाते हो, and then gradually it becomes a habit.
Yes.
So आपने भी जो बोला भी कि मैंने जब diet follow किया for some time and then it became a part of my lifestyle.
Yeah.
I think that phase is needed. एक बार जब आप थोड़ा सा strict होते हो अपने साथ, उसके बाद धीरे धीरे फिर वो आपकी हैबिट्स में आना शुरू होता है. Is that right?
बिल्कुल, absolutely. And आपको कई बार ना external, like you need an external check as well. That external check can come in the form of your partner, in the form of your family member, in the form of your gym instructor, your dietitian, anything. But if you feel that you need that external push, please opt for one. It is okay. You know, कई बार हम कहते हैं ना asking for help. That's you asking for
Yes.
help, and it's good. Asking for
Yes.
help is a sign of strength, because आप कह रहे हो कि यार my health is my priority and I'm not ready to give up on this. So I will figure ways to make it work.
Right.
And if I need an external help, I'll opt for it
I'll
because I
opt for
want to make it work.
So while you were on this diet, while you were trying to make all these changes, because it's not easy. अभी
Yeah.
हम बात कर रहे हैं, अभी आप बता रहे हो because you have done that.
Yeah.
But I am sure जब आप वो changes ला रहे थे, not eating your favorite foods, trying to stay away from sugar, it's not easy.
Yes.
So उस time पे did you get all the support that you needed? और क्या कैसे किया? Because बातें करना बहुत आसान है, but let's be very honest and practical. When you are into that zone, it's not that easy, right?
See, when I entered that zone, I started looking for things that will motivate me to choose it, to choose eating right, working out. So for example, मेरा तो just pregnancy के बाद हुआ था. Your size changes, right? A lot of stuff that you love, you look forward to wearing, you can't wear anymore, right? Your feet are swollen, you're not able to get into the heels that you love a lot. मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा motivation was that I have to get back in shape because I'm not giving up on the person that
because I can't do what I really want to do.
And मेरे को बहुत discomfort होता था जब मैं अपने आप को शीशे में देखती थी, because that's not the usual self that I always saw, right? So that was one. I think second, you're very right. When people around you start supporting you, it becomes easier, and then you share that passion, right? So जब डॉक्टर ने मुझे मटन डाइट पे डाला था तो वरुण भी मटन डाइट पे गए थे. तो when I increased weight, I increased because I had a baby, but his weight also went up. So जब हमने dietitian join किया, हमने correct करना था, then he would see and he would know कि मेरा भी weight ऊपर. He would see, what are you doing? Okay, I will also do this. I will also do this. Then that gamification, and they're like, you're like, no, you are not doing this. You eat this, and I mean, it's just like that. It becomes a happy, exciting feeling when somebody supports you, when somebody says. On the other hand, if at the same time there's somebody in your house saying, पता नहीं क्या करती रहती है, इतना difficult बना दिया है, इसके लिए अलग से खाना बनता है, that demotivates you.
That demotivates. Right? And you can't even do it for a very long time when you don't have that support.
And hence you need to figure a way out in between, that either you take people around you on health journeys. Yeah. Saying, let's try this.
Yes.
Make them a part of your plan, right? Or if you're not able to do that, then you very silently, consciously keep a check. जो भी घर में बन रहा है, जो दूसरों के लिए बन रहा है, उसमें ही आप हेल्दी ऑप्शंस कैसे ले सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दाल, सब्जी, रोटी, चावल सब खा रहे हैं, ठीक है, आप नहीं बना पा रहे हो अपने लिए कुछ और, दैट्स ओके. रोटी हटा दो, चावल की क्वांटिटी कम कर दो, सिर्फ दाल सब्जी खा लो. There are so many options. Even between that, I think you can choose. Like even today, it's not like I get to plan each and every meal, or I have like a special cook who cooks for me. मैं वही खाती हूँ जो घर में सबके लिए बनता है.
So it's how you plan. और घर के खाने में तो, as you said, just do a little changes in your plate, and then the same plate, just the same meal can become more protein rich and less on carbs.
Yes. And initially ना, जब आपको significant weight loss चाहिए होता है, the one thing that I followed was, and ये मैंने dietitian से ही सीखा था, club the right food groups for that day, right? So for example, अगर किसी दिन में आपने बेसन चीला खाया है ब्रेकफास्ट में, तो आप ट्राई करो कि आप लंच में भी बेसन का ही कुछ खा रहे हो, आप डिनर में भी बेसन का ही कुछ खा रहे हो. अगर एक दिन आपने पनीर खाया है, तो आप इंश्योर करो आप तीनों मील्स पे पनीर ही ले रहे हो.
Mono diet kind of a thing.
Mono diet, right? So वो simplifying food groups becomes very easy on your digestive system, and then it itself increases metabolism and helps you move in the right direction. So I think मेरा तो combination
also saves your efforts, no?
Yes, easy हो जाता है, एक ही बारी बनाओ ना, तीनों meals में खाओ.
That's a good trick.
Yeah.
Nice. ठीक है, अब since we're talking about diet, as soon as you wake up, what is the first thing that you take?
It varies. It varies.
Okay.
So week में at least 3 दिन I try and do intermittent fasting.
Oh, okay.
At least
consecutive
3
days or how? Alternative?
So mostly it's Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Okay.
I do intermittent.
Okay.
Like इसमें से एक दिन मिस हो जाता है काफी बार, but 3 दिन out of these days Tuesday I don't do because Tuesday घर में डोसा बनता है and I love it.
it.
So आज जैसे for example I woke up in the morning,
Hmm.
I had my black coffee and I put ghee in it
Mhm.
because it kind of flares your stomach and
Mhm.
increases, it makes you feel fuller. So आपकी
Yeah.
भूख appetite कम हो जाती है थोड़ी सी. That I followed with a simple plain dosa. No
Okay.
masala.
Okay.
Just plain dosa with very
chutney and-
little chutney and a little bit of sambar. I love sambar. I can't do without it. I just
Okay.
love it. So, but I limit the size of the dosa कि मेरे हाथ में आ जाना चाहिए.
अच्छा. And
Not
how
bigger
many
than
such
this.
dosas?
One.
Just one?
One for breakfast.
Okay.
Then that gets followed by lunch. My lunch is constant on weekdays. It's a chicken
Mhm.
salad.
It's a chicken
I
salad.
don't change it.
Oh. And nothing in between?
So if when I'm doing intermittent, at about 11 o'clock, I take nuts
Okay.
with again a glass of coffee.
Okay.
But on days when I have
Your-
breakfast,
Mhm.
then I don't eat. I directly eat lunch.
The lunch. Okay.
टाइम भी नहीं होता मीटिंग्स में, मतलब वो पता ही नहीं चलता कि कुछ खाना भी है.
I think ये भी एक बहुत अच्छा input है that when you keep yourself busy, you keep yourself away from
yeah.
unnecessary
So मेरे
munching.
लिए ऑफिस डेज पे कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करना is far easier
Yes.
compared to weekends when
हाँ.
everything is around you and you're like slightly free and your kids are eating something and your mom is eating something and you like taste कर लेती हूँ, थोड़ा सा खा लेती हूँ, चन्नी छोटी सी बर्फी का टुकड़ा I think that's like you have to let go of that. If you're in the weight loss zone,
Keep yourself busy
yes,
and occupied.
you can still do it when you are in the weight maintain zone once in a while. But if you're in the weight loss zone, you can't afford to. Like snacking is a crime. Is a
Yes.
crime.
And these are the calories which go unnoticed. पता भी नहीं चलता और
Yes.
बैठे-बैठे
Yes. And even if you have to snack, just avoid sugar in any form. Good, चीनी, sugar free, हर तरह का sugar avoid करो because the intent is that your body needs to not crave it at any point of time, right? Sometimes हमें लगता है कि यार एनर्जी लो है, कुछ मीठा खा लेते हैं. You don't realize वो मीठे से एनर्जी ऐसे आगे ऐसे ही ड्रॉप करती है, फिर आपको फिर लगता है क्रेव है, फिर वही लूप आ जाता है, मीठा खा लेते हैं. And that happens like 2-3 times in a day.
And it's always a sugar cycle. Once you eat
Yeah.
sugar, you crave for eating sugar
Yeah.
even more and then it never ends.
So like I was saying,
Yeah.
breakfast is a simple dosa. Lunch is constant for 5 days, which is a
Hmm.
chicken salad. And then dinner, I eat something which is protein rich. I try and avoid carbs on weekdays.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Iska exception is weekends, Wednesday nights when I indulge. So if I want to have a Thai curry with rice, I will have it. But wahan pe bhi I ensure that I'm not eating naan and paranthe and stuff like that because rice is easier to digest. I think it suits me more than wheat. And then Saturday, Sunday mein se ek raat I let go. Then I will have a proper meal outside with a dessert, and that I tell myself that Ghazal, you deserve it. You deserve it. You were good. You were a good girl all through the week. Now you deserve it. So like indulge and indulge karo to guilt free karo. There is no point in being half-hearted here and there. Like just then let go and enjoy it.
Right.
Food needs to be enjoyed, yeah.
Always.
Always.
Be it a salad or a paratha.
Yeah, I love my salad. I love it because I feel that this is the right kind of vegetable dose that needs to go into my body, and then for the rest of the day I don't have to worry about is my nutrition proper or not, am I eating
Yes.
right or not. That one bowl takes care of it.
So when you eat your chicken salad for lunch, do you pair it with some kind of carb or it's just the salad with veggies and chicken?
So again, I usually get like one small piece of garlic bread with me, but it depends on how I'm feeling.
Okay.
So if I'm I also take note, like if I feel full and I don't crave that bread, then I don't
You'll
eat
not
it. But there are days when you want something, it's a strength, it's whatever. Then I take the bread, but I limit the size of it. It's like this small.
Okay.
Nothing beyond that. Don't give yourself option.
Yeah.
ऑप्शन पे लिमिट कर दो ना. फॉर एग्जांपल दाल सब्जी रोटी भी खानी है तो बता दो अपने आप को भाई सेकंड सर्विंग नहीं मिलेगी. डजंट मीन फर्स्ट सर्विंग को जैसे 3-4x करके ले लो, बट टेल योरसेल्फ नो सेकंड सर्विंग. दैट इटसेल्फ, लाइक छोटे छोटे एक्शंस एक्चुअली help control some of these cravings so much.
On the non-carb days, what's your usual dinner looks like?
So some days it's some form of paneer. A lot of days it's some form of tofu. And on a couple of days a week it's chicken. So opting between.
So you've kept it very simple,
very
as I
simple.
can see.
Very simple.
बहुत ही simple है. Lunch तो एकदम sorted है.
ऑप्शन ही नहीं दो ना अपने आप को. मैंने बताना ही नहीं को उनको मैंने बता दिया आपको यही बना के भेजना है रोज, तो वही बना के आ
और
जाता
कितना
है.
सिंप्लीफाइड कर दिया सब कुछ, बिकॉज जब हम खाने को इतने अच्छे से प्लान नहीं करते, लाइक द वे यू हैव डन इट, यू केप्ट इट सो सिंपल, आई थिंक वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम और एनर्जी और एफर्ट भी जाता है.
Yes.
अब क्या बनाना है, अब क्या खाना है, एंड देन हर बार तो आप अच्छा नहीं प्लान कर पाओगे. समटाइम्स यू विल गो हियर एंड देयर. सो आई रिमेंबर गजल, जब मैंने अपनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जर्नी की थी, व्हेन आई वाज ऑन अ वेट लॉस जर्नी, सो इवन माय डाइट प्लान लुक्ड लाइक very monotonous. 3 months we had, और मेरे साथ हिमीश ने भी पूरा फॉलो किया था, because you know as you said कि करना आपको, but he willingly did it. And that was a great support. So we ate just palak paneer for 3 months.
Wow, I love
every
palak paneer.
single day. No brainer. मतलब पालक पनीर बनना है, खा लेना है, इतना खाना है, पोर्शन का भी आइडिया सो सॉर्टेड. मतलब हम काम पे ध्यान दे पाते थे, क्योंकि खाने के
कितनी चीजें और कर पाते हो यार. Like you just identify that food is a source of energy, nothing more. Like yes, indulge in it and enjoy it when you want to, but like limit those occasions. Otherwise just keep it simple.
Just keep it simple. Yes, but ultimately our body just needs nutrition, so just give it the fuel that it needs and focus on other things. Do you believe in mindful eating, like spending time with your food? And
100%. 100%. So if I'm busy, if I'm in a meeting, I have to travel, and somebody asks me, गाड़ी में बैठ के खा लेना. बहुत बार होता है, you're getting late for somewhere, you've not had chance to have your breakfast. I would rather not eat. If I'm eating, then I want undisturbed. कितनी देर लगती है यार खाने में? 10 मिनट 15 मिनट, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं लगते. बट व्हेन यू आर हैविंग इट, फुल्ली बी देयर एंड एंजॉय इट. Enjoy every bite that goes into your mouth. Have that satisfaction that you're eating. When you eat in a hurry, आप खा भी जाते हो और आपकी बॉडी को लगता है मैंने तो अच्छे से नहीं खाया, एंड फिर आप और खाते हो, एंड फिर आप वो ओकेजन्स ढूंढते हो जहाँ आप अभी भी आराम से बैठ के खाओगे. It becomes a loop. I think I am very particular about my time with my food across the 3 meals. Even if it's black coffee, it's a ritual. I will sit, I will take 15 minutes to have my black coffee with ghee in the morning.
Okay.
Varun has also started having it, so we have it together. We talk work, but there is no urgency. Office ke liye late ho raha hai, jaldi kar, ye karna hai. Nothing. Okay. Nothing of that. And there is a lot of merit. Like I know what it is to not eat mindfully and what it does to your body. And I don't think your body also then absorbs the nutrition in the way that it should. Especially when you are running and eating. It just doesn't make sense. Like आपकी बॉडी भी कंफ्यूज हो जाती है कि मैं डाइजेशन पे फोकस करूं, कि मैं भागने पे फोकस करूं, कि मैं like what am I supposed to do? Never eat standing is another thing that I have. Like I will always sit on a table, put my plate, and I will eat nicely using both of my hands, not just one. I have 2 kids, so there are a lot of times ना when you're feeding the child and you're advised कि बच्चे को खिला रहे हो तो साथ साथ खा ले. मैं आज तक नहीं कभी कर पाई वो. अच्छा. कभी नहीं किया मैंने. मैं पहले बच्चे को खिलाऊंगी. You are well fed, your tummy is full. मम्मा प्लीज इसको 10 मिनट ले लो, अब मैं खाना खाऊंगी. And even if it means that my lunch is getting delayed to a 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, I'm absolutely okay with it. But I want to spend time with the food that I'm eating.
So you prioritize mindful eating more than just eating?
100%.
So you'd rather not 100%. Eat than...
Yes. You will never see me eating on the run. You will never see me eat in a hurry. I would rather skip and find time when I can eat properly. And जब ऐसा होता है ना कई बार, like I have migraine issues, like since childhood I've had that. तो बहुत बार अगर मैं एक मील skip कर देती हूँ तो साथ के साथ मेरा headache शुरू हो जाता है. तो उसके लिए भी I have found a solve. Whenever you feel you're missing one of your meals, just have half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of water, mix it, and just have that glass of water.
Because sometimes your body, just the sodium your body needs.
It is just the salt. And salt has so much power.
Right.
To give you energy, to make you feel full, to not get those migraine pains. And मैंने
Hmm.
बहुत recently, like I think it's only been 1.5 years since I've figured this out. उससे पहले तक it always, whenever I used to miss a meal, it always used to lead with a severe headache that used to last for like 6 hours, 7 hours. Half the day is gone. उस टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा suggestion आता था, but खा लेना, कैसे भी खा ले, कैसे भी. Now I've replaced that with
You've
a
understood
glass
that
of
ultimately what my body
Yes.
needs is the
is the salt. Yeah, it's more
Hmm.
about salt than other days. So
Hmm.
even if you're thinking ना कि headache start होने वाला है और खाना खाने का time नहीं है, just have a glass of water with salt.
Hmm.
It helps.
Yeah. क्योंकि ऐसे में otherwise what people end up doing is eating junk.
I used to eat
Because
that
it's so
blue packet of
convenient.
Lay's.
Yes, I
Oh
was
my
going to say
god!
that.
Because it's so high on salt.
Yeah, and so
that-
convenient. Just
so convenient.
open a packet
yes. Yes, I still remember. Like all points of time, I used to say office में blue packet chips का होना चाहिए, घर पे blue packet chips का होना चाहिए, and it's such a bad thing to have.
Yeah.
My son hated me like when I had that. He's so conscious.
Hmm. Do you also take all these detox drinks in between, like jeere wala pani, cinnamon water, this and that? Do you believe in all these things?
I used to believe in that, and I've also had them at one point of time. एक time पे like jeera water वगैरह तो I've not done, but I used to have ABC juice early in the morning, and it really helped, especially on days when I have to go to the gym. So I don't like protein shakes as much. So I usually make like a yogurt में protein का scoop डाल के and then nuts डाल के. I used to make a breakfast out of it on days when I'm going to the gym. So even today, if I have to go to the gym, that'll become my breakfast.
Oh, that's nice.
So that I believe in. ABC juice is something that I feel has really helped me. I'm not having it as of now. Again, time, priorities, and वो नहीं बन पाता है सुबह सुबह because you have so much more to do. Again, a reason that I'm giving me, I'm going to go back and correct this. But some of the other waters, I haven't seen them impact my body positively. While I've had them, I've tried them, but I haven't seen any difference. ABC juice I like because beetroot actually helps build my hemoglobin. So I could actually see it in my blood results. It also fills you up. So even on days when you're not able to have breakfast, just having that glass of ABC juice helps make you feel fuller. So these are the kind of successes that I've seen with that. But with other waters,
or the green juices and all these things.
Yeah, it could alternate, right? You could have a wheatgrass juice, you could have a beetroot juice, you could have like apple, pomegranates, and that.
So all those who can, you endorse that. Like it's a good thing to
it's
have
a good thing.
for all those who can.
Yeah. It also takes care of the nutrition for the day. Then you don't have to worry about the salads and the fruit intake and all of that. So it gets taken care of that. But while they work, if I have to choose between raw fruits and this at any point during the day, first half of the day, I would still say eat
fruits
your
with
fruits.
the fiber
Yeah.
and everything.
Eat more than you drink. I mean, it's I don't know. I believe in that. I feel that works.
I recently made a video on this. Eat your water.
Yes.
And drink your food. Like chew your food
so much.
slowly that the juices are released in your mouth, and you're ultimately drinking your food and eating your water. Like
I'm a very slow eater. Very slow eater. I think since very early on, not something that I had to work on. तो अगर टेबल पे बैठे हैं ना, dinner हो या lunch हो, and we are like 5-6 people, सबका हो जाएगा, and people will be like, bill मंगाए, and half my plate will be there. I'm like, I'm still eating. And sometimes you feel so embarrassed. I look at Varun and I'm still eating. Like, okay, I'll not eat more. But you're so right? Eat your water and drink your food. It's it's a magic recipe somewhere in there.
Do you do anything specific for the gut health? Like any specific foods or anything?
So I take probiotics.
Okay.
Again, very recently started, almost about a year back. But I try and take one probiotic. It can be in the form of a tablet or in the form of the probiotic drinks that come. I try and take one a day. Some days I miss also, but gut health is the most important thing to focus on when it comes to food. You have to ensure that you're feeling good. If you wake up feeling constipated, bloated, then you should know that something is not working. So I think that's very, very important. And the more we read about this, we learn, we educate ourselves, the more we'll feel better. But I've actually seen it work in terms of how I feel and the energy that I have. So I try and take that supplement.
While traveling, how do you manage your diet? Because ये सब घर पे रह के तो ठीक है. I've seen a lot of your stories and your videos wherein you travel a lot because of work also, and then I'm sure for leisure travel. How do you manage all this while you are traveling?
I don't.
You don't.
See, there are occasions and there have to be certain times in your life when you can let go as well.
Yeah.
It's not about always being very strict about everything. It was also about being strict so that you can take time off by choice. You're not forced into, now your health is so bad that you have to correct it and you have to take care of yourself. It shouldn't come to that. When you're consistently taking care of yourself, then if you're on a vacation for 4 days, 5 days, let go. When you come back, you will be a kilo up or a kilo and a half or 2 kilos up. It's okay. वो जितनी जल्दी बढ़ता है उतनी जल्दी कम भी हो जाता है when you again come back to that consistent.
That's just the vacation weight. And it goes
be happy about it. Look forward to it. I'm going to eat so many desserts and then make the most of it. I reward myself. I take those offs. I'm guilty of that. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but it's I feel it's very important. It's more important in terms of how you feel than what you do. What you do should help you feel what you want to feel.
Right, exactly. And by taking such breaks in between, it again pushes you back. कि अब वापस जाके I'm looking forward to following the same routine now. I'm missing that.
Yeah.
So ऐसा नहीं है कि बाहर भी मैं वही same सब कुछ follow करी and then I'm back.
Yeah.
Back to the good old routine. So you were telling about the morning ritual with Varun. That bullet coffee and all that. So what's your morning routine like?
Our morning routine is very simple. We wake up at about 5:30. We read a little. After which Agastya goes to school at his bus comes at 7 to 6 to 7. We get him ready. We spend time with him. We talk, breakfast, etc. That happens. We drop him off at the bus. And Varun and I either go to the gym or go for a walk. We choose between the two. Usually it's alternate days. So Monday alternate is walk days and Tuesday alternate are gym days. After we've done that, we ensure that we are stopping and we are having our bullet coffee. So that's what we do. And on bullet coffee, we will then talk about work. We will brainstorm. We'll prioritize. What are the things that need to change? What stays same? Like a lot of brainstorming.
That's a couple time and a business partner time.
That's a co-founder time. I wouldn't say it's a couple time. Nothing personal. No personal conversation. Only work conversation happens on that. Then we come back home by 8. And start getting ready for office. And around 8:45, 8:50 is when we leave for office. So that's the morning routine. He, of course, has breakfast in between. I usually skip breakfast. There are just a couple of days when I have. So I ensure that my hair washing days are my intermittent fasting days and my non-hair wash days that I save time are the days when I opt for breakfast. These things matter. Come on, you would know, right? Exactly. Washing your hair, then they dry, then sometimes you're leaving in wet hair to office.
No time to
It's a task.
So intermittent fasting.
Bilkul, absolutely. Like Varun doesn't feel that I'm getting late. I get time to wash my hair and properly get ready for office, get a start to the day. Like we are not too late kar rahi hai, ye late ho raha hai, time and all of that. So I've very nicely managed some of those things, alternated it with what works where. Good. So today was a dosa day. I didn't wash my hair.
Nice. So uske baad then you have fixed office timings or being an entrepreneur, there are no timings?
No,
you stick to timings?
I like structured way of working. Nice. So we reach office by 9:10. The work starts and then we are in office till about 7:30 mostly, 7:30 ke beech mein. Then we come home. Now the moment we come home is when my shift 2 starts. And I have to ensure that I'm entering the home with the same energy because I have 2 boys and I have a dog who's Google. And all of these 3 boys are so full of energy that I can't come back from office and say, oh, I'm tired and I've done so much work. I have to get back home with full energy. The moment I open the door, these 3 boys come running, mama. And then they have a competition between themselves on who will pounce on mama and get her on the floor, and all three of them then are on top of me. So then they want to play, they want to get tickled, they want to share what has happened in the day. And if I feel tired, I see it impacting their mood. And then, oh God, mama, but I wanted to do this for you, with you, and I was waiting to tell you this. And there are some days when I don't feel as energetic, right? I try to maximize for the other side. I try to ensure that by the time I get back home, I'm again full of energy, and I'm stretching till like 9:30 with them. 9 o'clock, they go to their rooms to sleep. We have dinner together, we play, we talk about our days. I tell them about my day.
You tell them, like,
I tell them about
do they
my
get
day.
it? What?
Oh, yes. My son used to give me one-word answers when I used to check how was school. Good. Kya kiya? Play. And I didn't. Then I started sharing how my day was. I started telling him it was a tough day for me. You know, this didn't go well. You know, I was working on this product, but I don't like the formula as much, so I'm going to work more. And since I've started doing that, he's starting to share a lot more. You know, I had this fight with my friend. I felt like this, but I shouldn't have felt like this, mama. Very mature. He's emotionally very mature. So we have really nice those conversations. Then about 9 to 9:10, 9:15, for 10-15 minutes we read. I read out loud to them.
Okay.
And then we engage, we tickle, then they go to bed. Then that's the time when I sign off. I am done. Now I'm on the bed. बोलना मत मुझे कुछ भी और करने के लिए.
Yeah.
Because you have only so much energy, right?
Right,
And you have to
of
take care
course.
of home. You have to ensure that you're spending time with your parents at
everyone,
home, with
yeah.
kids at home.
So
The
parents,
dog
they
needs
live with
attention.
you.
Yes.
Okay.
So we have 4 generations living in the same house.
Oh,
Our
that's
dadi, our parents, our kids,
Wow.
and us. We all live together.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
So बहुत interesting होता होगा ना पूरा जो conversations हैं between your kids and your grandparents.
बहुत अमेजिंग होता है यार. ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स ना बदल जाते हैं हमारे. लाइक जब हम बड़े हो रहे थे एंड द वे दे बिहेव्ड विद अस versus the way they behave with our kids. I'm like, you guys are blessed.
Really?
Like इतनी पेशेंस हमारे बारे में क्यों दिया? हमें तो इतनी डांट लगा लगा के बड़ा किया है. And with them you're like, अच्छा दीवार पे लिख रहे, लिखने दो. बच्चे शरारत नहीं करेंगे तो कौन करेगा? ना I'm losing my mind. Like freshly painted walls, don't do that. Like करने दो ना. बच्चों को अगर उनको कोई harm नहीं हो रहा तो why would you say no? Eventually बड़े होके उन्होंने यही सब चीज. So I think like they raise them with a very different perspective, and they are so kind to them, they are so loving to them. The kind of values जो वो बच्चों को दे पाते हैं, हम as parents शायद सोचे भी ना कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में. तो I think having your parents
of course,
with you,
also they have more time to spend with them, to
100%.
give those values.
yes,
which we with our routine and everything can't
बिल्कुल.
really do that.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Like जब बड़ी दादी भी बच्चों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करती है. एंड अयान ही इज 2.5 years old. वो जाता है बड़ी दादी के पास. बद्दा, ही कॉल्स हर बद्दा.
Okay.
बद्दा पकड़ लो. एंड बड़ी मम्मा उठेंगे बेड से एंड वो कोशिश करेंगे
Oh,
उसके
that's
पीछे
so
भागने
sweet.
की. शी इज लाइक 80 years old but she still
Oh.
tries and attempts, and he runs, and like laughter in the house is so different.
Yes.
It's a blessing in India for us to be able to live with our parents.
Actually.
It's a blessing, and especially if you have kids, there's nothing better than that.
Totally agree. And I think that's also good for our mental well-being to a lot extent.
Yeah. मेरा तो मतलब
वो सारा stress drain हो जाता है when you see
Yeah.
all these things happening, the laughter in the house and giggles and everything.
yes.
Right?
No compare. मतलब मैं तो life, I don't know मैं इतना कुछ कर पाती अगर
ये setup.
my mother-in-law, father-in-law wouldn't have stayed with me. I don't think I would have been able to do even 10% of what I'm doing today. So I am like indebted to them for their support, and we love each other with all our hearts. So छोटी छोटी चीजें होती है ना, जैसे आप slightly stressed हो, but kids are demanding your attention, but like मम्मा देख लेती हैं, तो पता है क्या करेंगी वो बड़ी tactfully ना, अच्छा चलो बच्चों हम ये करते हैं, अच्छा हम ऐसे नीचे चलते हैं वॉक पे. हाँ, she like tries to give me that time कि तू ले take your half an hour, it's okay.
That's really sweet.
It's very sweet. Like my father-in-law, he has taken the burden of so many things off me. कि मैं करता हूँ, बैंक का काम है मैं करता हूँ, कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके, आई नो यूर बिजी एट वर्क, इससे बात करनी है मैं करता हूँ, आई नो यूर डूइंग दिस, व्हाट मोर कैन आई आस्क फॉर, आई डोंट नो.
While we are talking about this, I'm also thinking कि शायद हमारे कुछ viewers सेम शिप में होंगे और कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होंगे जो शायद इतने फॉर्चुनेट नहीं है, उनको ये लगता है बिकॉज आई गेट DMs वेरी ऑफ्टन दैट आई डोंट गेट दैट सपोर्ट. आई एम ऑल्सो वर्किंग वुमेन, आई हैव ऑल दीज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, बट मुझे घर से इतना सपोर्ट नहीं मिल रहा. इज देयर एनीथिंग दैट यू कैन जस्ट शेयर सो दैट दे गेट सम हेल्प कि वो क्या करें, वो कैसे ऑल दीज important areas of their lives को मैनेज, हेल्थ है, देन काम है, फैमिली है, सब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, एंड दे डोंट रियली हैव दैट सपोर्ट.
मैंने वो वाली लाइफ भी देखी है. तो जब हमने कंपनी स्टार्ट की थी, मामाअर्थ स्टार्ट किया था, तब माय पेरेंट्स यूज्ड टू लिव इन दिल्ली एंड वी वर इन गुड़गांव.
ओके.
तो गुड़गांव में वरुण, मैं और अगस्त्य इकट्ठे रहते थे, एंड माय इन-लॉज, माय दादी, दे वर इन दिल्ली, एंड वो नहीं हो पाता है, लाइक दिल्ली से गुड़गांव आना, वीकेंड्स पे आप आते हो, यू स्पेंड अ डे अ नाइट, बट बियॉन्ड दैट यू डोंट हैव दैट सपोर्ट. तो पहले 2.5 साल मेरे पास वो सपोर्ट नहीं थी. आई एक्चुअली वर्कड रियली हार्ड टू कन्विंस देम to get on that journey कि we want to live together. And of course when you have kids and they know, they see them growing, then they also want to come, right? They have their own interest, saying how can we miss that. But I think उस time पे जब मेरे पास वो support नहीं थी, तब भी मैंने weight loss का journey पूरा किया था. I think 3 months में I had lost almost 13-14 kilos of weight. And जो जैसे मैंने manage किया था was over communicating with Varun.
Okay.
And having my routine tied up with him. तो हमने आपस में दोनों alternate करके कि who takes care. उस time पे मेरे पास नानी भी नहीं थी.
Okay.
I'm sure a lot of people don't have that support as well, right? Alternate कर लो. I think पहले कुछ टाइम तक तो मैं बिल्कुल वर्कआउट नहीं कर पा रही थी, मैं जिम नहीं जा पा रही थी, तो मैंने घर पे ही यूट्यूब लगा के एक्सरसाइजेस करनी शुरू कर दी थी, लाइक स्ट्रेचेस, एंड इतना सारा कंटेंट अवेलेबल होता है दैट यू कैन एक्चुअली टेक, इट्स गुड टू डू समथिंग देन टू डू नथिंग.
इफ यू हैव दैट थिंग दैट आई वांट टू डू,
you will find out a way, right? So मतलब मेरा तो मंत्रा है कि figure it out. Everything is figure outable. It just depends कि आप कितना strongly चाहते हो उस चीज़ को अचीव करना, और अगर आप सीरियसली चाहते हो ना, आप ढूंढ लोगे तरीके. तो वरुण और मैंने भी ऐसे किया था कि वरुण अगर जिम जाते थे तो मैं घर पे यूट्यूब लगा के ट्रेन कर लेती थी, बिकॉज वन ऑफ अस हैड टू बी विद द चाइल्ड. इवनिंग में जब हम ऑफिस से वापस आते थे तो आई यूज्ड टू आस्क वरुण कि यू नाउ टेक केयर ऑफ द किड, आई विल गो फॉर अ वॉक. इवन खाने में, फूड हैबिट्स एटसेट्रा, आई यूज्ड टू टेल हिम दैट आई वांट टू डू दिस फॉर माई सेल्फ, आर यू ओके विद इट? एंड ही यूज्ड टू सपोर्ट मी. आई थिंक ओवर कम्युनिकेट करो. आप क्या चाहते हो, what makes you feel good, what makes you feel bad, and then find those ways in between. I think a lot can happen even if you can't step out of the house. Right?
Actually, yes.
खाना तो आप खाते ही हो, थोड़ा कॉन्शियस हो जाओ. आप बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे हो वर्कआउट के लिए, आप घर पे शुरू कर दो. You have, like, the world of internet has changed so many things for us. उसके अलावा अगर आपको लगता है कि it is also very important कि आप इमोशनली कैसा फील कर रहे हो, राइट? अगर आपको लगता है कि कोई और रीज़न है कि आप इमोशनली अच्छा फील नहीं कर रहे हो, चेंज दैट नैरेटिव, टेल अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी टू योरसेल्फ.
लाइक
बताओ अपने आप को कि यार मेरा हैप्पीनेस इज माय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, राइट? Nobody else should be able to make me feel a certain way. And I'm not saying it works 100
to someone else.
Yes, it doesn't work 100% of the times, but even if it works 50% of the time, you're 50% better than what you are today. तो बहुत बार होता है हम एक्सटर्नल चीज़ों पे ब्लेम डालते हैं कि यार मैं इसकी वजह से, ये मुझे सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा, मैं वर्कआउट नहीं कर पा रही, ऐसा खाना नहीं बनता हमारे पास तो मैं खाना ठीक से नहीं खा पा रही, इतना स्ट्रेस है कि मैं बिंज ईटिंग कर लेती हूँ, मैं मीठा खा लेती हूँ. All of this is in your mind. You have to train your mind more than your body. If your mind gets trained, your body follows.
Right. Very true. Instead of focusing on what's not in my control and cursing that, focus on what is in your control. Be it a little bit, but अगर आपके कंट्रोल में तो उसको तो पहले सुधार लें, उसको
बिल्कुल।
सुधार लेंगे तो काफी कुछ हो
छोटी
जाएगा।
छोटी चीजें यू वुड नो,
Yeah.
छोटी छोटी चीजें एक्चुअली
Hmm.
इतना ज्यादा फर्क बना देती हैं एंड
Right.
इट गिव्स यू डिस्प्रोपोर्शनेट. इट्स नॉट अबाउट
Exactly.
कि बहुत ज्यादा कुछ डिफरेंटली करना है. जस्ट
Hmm.
छोटी छोटी चीजों को कंसिस्टेंटली करते रहो, यू विल स्टार्ट सीइंग दोस चेंजेस. इज
Absolutely.
व्हाट आई फील.
And
I'm
that's
not
so
an
true.
expert.
Ghazal, मुझे वो so that dialogue from what that movie was, ये जवानी है दीवानी, उसमें जो एक डायलॉग था, कुछ ना कुछ तो छूटेगा ही बनी.
बिल्कुल.
Do you believe in that? Like, do you think,
बिल्कुल.
or you think कि नहीं मैं सब कुछ मैनेज कर पा रही हूँ, so there
ओ
are
नहीं
people.
नहीं 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 नहीं, आई डोंट बिलीव इन दैट. आई डोंट थिंक आप सब कुछ एक टाइम पे बिल्कुल परफेक्टली मैनेज करते हो. कुछ ना कुछ तो छूटेगा, तो जहाँ पे हो उसका मजा ले लो.
Yes.
I actually believe in that. I
What are
actually
those
believe in
things
that.
which you are ready to छूटेगा and things which you are not ready to छूटेगा?
यार, I am not okay with anything छूटेगा as
Okay,
such.
okay.
But I strongly believe कि कभी ना कभी जिस मोमेंट में हो, उस मोमेंट में कुछ ना कुछ छूटेगा.
Oh yes.
तो be okay
That's
with
so
that.
deep. Oh my god.
और इस मोमेंट में जहाँ आप हो, like give your 100% ना, be in that moment. एंड ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है. ये मतलब बोलना आसान है बट ये करना इज डिफिकल्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जब मैं काम पे होती हूँ और मुझे पता है बच्चों की छुट्टी है, क्रिसमस ब्रेक चल रही है, दे आर बाय देमसेल्व्स, आई शुड बी विद देम. अब या तो गिल्ट में रह लो, तो ना आप काम पे रह पाते हो ना आप घर पे रह पाते हो, क्योंकि अगर आपने चलो छुट्टी ले ली और आप घर पे हो, फिर आप सोच रहे हो कि यार काम पे ये चीजें छूट गई. तो rather than that, have a holistic approach. When you're at work, be fully at work. When I go home, 7 o'clock, if I enter home, let's say at 7:30 to 9:30, I don't touch my phone. The world can wait. 7:30 to 9:30 is my undivided attention time with my kids.
Amazing.
और वो इतना होता है ना टाइम कि उसके बाद आपको लगता है बेटा बस सो जा. हो गया.
बच्चे
I'm
भी कहेंगे कि
genuinely
हो गया
telling you,
mom.
yeah. It's about quality of time that you spend, or quality
Right.
of your involvement, which matters far more than
Exactly.
quantity.
Yes.
तो
That's so
जहाँ
true.
पे हो उसका मजा ले लो.
So
छुट्टी पे हो,
half-hearted या half-minded कहीं पे रहने से बेटर है ना रहो.
कोई पॉइंट नहीं है.
हाँ.
जैसे
Just-
अगर मैं अभी आपके पास हूँ, मेरा ऑफिस वर्किंग है, मेरी टीम वर्किंग है, अगर मैं अभी ये सोच रही हूँ कि पता नहीं ऑफिस में अच्छा ये 3 चीजें करनी थी, पता नहीं होंगी, तो मैं फुली आपके साथ कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाऊंगी. राइट. अगर मैं घर जाऊंगी और मेरे को ऑफिस से कॉल्स आई जा रहे हैं एंड आई एम स्टिल, तो मेरे को बच्चे भी ऐसा लगेगा कि इरिटेट कर रहे हैं, और जो ऑफिस से कॉल कर रहे हैं मुझे लगेगा वो भी मुझे इरिटेट कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज आई एम नाइदर एबल टू बी हियर नॉट देयर.
Not there.
अगर मैं छुट्टी पे हूँ और मैं वर्किंग छुट्टी लेती हूँ कि मैं काम भी करूंगी, देन यू
Yeah.
नो यूर आइदर वेज. राइट.
Yes.
करनी भी है अगर तो
Hmm.
फिक्स टाइम,
Yeah.
ये 4 घंटे मैं काम करूंगी और ये वाला टाइम मैं एंजॉय करूंगी. अगर छुट्टी वर्किंग छुट्टी भी लेनी है,
Then you justify everything in your life. Like, whatever you are doing, either you're not doing it,
yeah,
and if you're doing it, you're justifying that
yeah,
time.
genuinely do.
That's so important. बहुत ही आसान नहीं है ये करना. To be very honest, it's very easy for our mind to wander.
Yes, you're right. But it takes practice.
Especially in case of women, I would say.
Yeah.
मैं अपनी personally, like, I'm being very honest, नहीं होता. बहुत distractions चलती हैं. ऑफिस में हो तो घर हो तो ऑफिस, बिजनेस पे फोकस कर रहे हो तो कंटेंट पे सोच रहे हो तो so many things.
You're so right. But like train हो जाता है फिर आपका माइंड.
Do you follow any ritual, like you follow meditation or something of that sort to keep yourself sane at one place?
यार I don't meditate. मुझे कभी करना आया ही नहीं, पता नहीं क्यों. मतलब मैं मेडिटेट करती हूँ कि दिमाग काम होगा, वो और एक्टिव हो जाता है फॉर सम रीजन, लाइक और ज्यादा सोचना शुरू कर देती हूँ मैं. आई हैव नाउ रियलाइज्ड व्हाट वर्क्स फॉर मी इज स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद माय ओन सेल्फ. So when I wake up in the morning for 15 minutes, for example 5:45 to 6 before I wake up Agastya, I will not talk to Varun. I will not touch my phone, apart from of course saying good morning and kissing each other and hi, hello, we are awake time. Beyond that, I ensure that I'm just spending time with my own self. There is, यार आप खुद से आप दो आँखों से कितनी बातें करते हो, आपको भी खुद से बात करते हो, और जब आप खुद से बात करोगे ना, आपको इतना कुछ पता चलता है अपने बारे में, और आपको क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट आता है, आपको पता चलता है कि आपके लिए क्या वर्क कर रहा है, आपके लिए क्या वर्क नहीं कर रहा है, आपको क्या ज़्यादा करना चाहिए, क्या कम करना चाहिए. आई थिंक दैट for me is meditation. If I have to compare it anything, that brings that calm to me. That tells me that I am in control of my life. I am making my own choices. If something is not working the way I want it, I can change it. I am the source of happiness for myself. So I think that for me works really well.
All that traffic in our head gets streamlined.
वो तो इवेंचुअली आ जाता है ना दिन में, उसको तो
हाँ.
आप
नहीं,
कितना
वो
अवॉइड
morning
करोगे,
time
बट
that-
दैट ग्राउंड्स यू,
grounds you.
that helps you realize
Yeah.
कि ये मेरे लिए प्रायोरिटी है.
Yes.
That also helps you know कि यार ये ना मुझे हर्ट कर रहा है, I don't need it.
Right,
What do I
right.
do about it? Then you take a few actions, you deal with it, you park it, whatever.
Yeah.
But there is so much merit in just talking to your own self.
Do you follow any affirmation or any kind of practice while you spend those 15 minutes with yourself? Or it's just self-talk?
It's just me being.
Okay. The silence and...
The silence, the...
I mean, that's like meditation in itself. That's so meditative.
हाँ पता नहीं, मैं कभी कर नहीं पाई तो मैं कंपेयर नहीं कर सकती. बट आई नो मेडिटेशन इज सपोज टू काम यू डाउन. This calms me down. This calms me down. This tells me that I'm in control and everything is okay.
Okay.
And कई बार कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो आपको लगती है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और आपकी लाइफ ख़राब हो रही है, लाइक क्या हो रहा है, पता नहीं ये वर्कआउट करेगा नहीं करेगा. एंड देन दिस टाइम जस्ट टेल्स यू कि यार व्हाट इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. You're healthy, your family is healthy, you're in a safe space, you're loved. This is important.
Yeah.
Right? So everything else कर लेंगे यार, figure out धीरे धीरे, कोई बात नहीं. But this you have is precious.
Yes.
इसको retain करो while then figuring out the other things.
And then you get the courage and strength to figure out everything else
बिल्कुल.
also. Because you're grateful for what you have right
Yes. Yes. So gratitude is something that I express. I have this tattoo. I got it done 3 years back.
now. Shukrana.
Shukrana.
Oh wow.
So shukran, like thank you, and A is for both of my sons.
Oh.
So I got it done thinking yeah, I know it is gratitude to have both of them in my life, but this is also a philosophy that I follow. I count my blessings. Whenever I'm going through a tough time, whenever I feel things are not falling in place, I first think about the blessings that I have. What is working? What do I have? That just helps you know कि यार इतना खराब नहीं है, हो जाएगा. We will sail through it.
Beautiful, beautiful. How is the ghazal right now and is different than the teenager ghazal? Because while talking to you, मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है that you have learned so much from the real experiences in life. All the things that you have shared so far, ये मुझे कुछ भी bookish नहीं लगा. Your eyes are telling that you've learned it through hardships, ups and downs, good and bad phases. So how would you say that now, you know, the ghazal right now is different than...
I think I am the most confident that I've ever been in my life right now. And I also feel that I'm the most in control of my life and my decisions, my choices, than I've ever been before. I think the teenage ghazal was very aggressive, very, very aggressive, but still not as confident, constantly doubting, still doing things, but being more worried about being scared. But most importantly, I would say not being confident of who I am and doubting myself a lot more than I do now.
Okay.
And it has been a journey. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि एकदम से उठ के आया है. Like even 8 years back when I started the company, even 4 years back when I was in it, we were doing really well. Even at the time when we took the company public, I wasn't the kind of person that I am today. So I think a lot has changed in terms of just, and I think like mostly it has changed since I've started talking to my own self. Since I've started listening to my subconscious, my instincts, my gut feeling, started giving weight to it. कई बार ना हमारे को कुछ फील होता है और हम उसको राइट ऑफ कर देते हैं. It can be our instinct, it can be our gut feeling कि यार तू ऐसे क्यों सोच रही है, तू
That's
गलत सोच रही है,
so right.
right? And like I have at least realized that
Mhm.
about myself, that a lot of times I've done that, I've regretted it in
Mhm.
future, because what I felt in that certain moment, actually things have come true over time. That the feeling was right, that feeling that this person is not going to work out was right, that feeling that this experiment is not going to work out was right, this feeling that you know, like the constant feeling of, am I enough, am I doing enough, like I am enough, right?
So listening to those
embracing,
instincts and
yeah,
trusting them.
yes, there is so much power in that. I think I've started doing far more of that, which has made me more peaceful, more
Yeah.
calm, and more confident of who I am. And I might now end up meeting people that having conversations on topics that I don't know, I'm not an expert in. But I'm still like, पहले मैं डरती थी उन conversations से कि क्या बोलूँगी, मुझे पता ही नहीं है ये कैसे करते हैं, like I've never done it before, what are you doing? And especially on the business side of things, that happens a lot, right? And now I've come to a place where I'm like, first principle questions पूछने से ही आपको इतना कुछ पता चल जाता है that sometimes you make the other person think about what they are doing. Is that right or wrong? And then that person comes to you, says, thank you so much for this conversation. I got so much clarity. So I think I've started chasing clarity more than confidence. Initially, I was chasing confidence. And sometimes when you chase confidence, you also fake confidence.
Yes.
Now I've started chasing clarity.
The more grounded you are, the more you talk to yourself, I think that brings the confidence in you.
Yeah.
Rather than
Right.
chasing for confidence, as you
Bilkul.
said.
Bilkul.
Okay, so now I'll ask some quick questions. It was like a very interesting conversation that we had so far, but ab kuch quick cheezein so that we can take most out of you in the very less time. 3 business lessons that you learned from your kids.
Oh God, I learned so much from them, Gunjan. Being curious. They're so curious about everything. They will never, like my kids never take ये तो ऐसे ही होता है for an answer. They will always have 100 whys. 100 whys. And more often than not, I've seen कि जब वो इतने सवाल पूछते हैं ना, तो किसी ना किसी चीज पे आगे मैं अटक जाती हूँ, जिसका आंसर मुझे नहीं पता होता. So then I'm Googling and then I'm also wondering why? Why? So for example, अभी मैंने बहुत recently हम लोग Christmas tree decorate कर रहे थे and we were just generally singing, you know, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So my son asked me, who was Rudolph? And I said, he was a reindeer. He just asked, he?
Oh my God.
And I Googled. And do you know that Santa's reindeers are females?
Oh my God.
They are not males. Because male reindeers shed off their antlers in winters while females retain it. And all Santa's reindeers have antlers.
And we would never know this.
We would never know this,
Yeah.
right? And it's just 100 questions that they ask that in that moment you're like... And then I like actually उन लोगों ने ये बात की and 2 घंटे बाद I went on this female founders group and this was the topic of conversation there and I could participate
Yes.
because I knew.
Oh wow.
So like being curious. Second, I think genuinely being. They are not worried about being judged. They are not worried about you know, rights and wrongs.
Yes.
They
Carefree.
just be. They are themselves.
Yeah.
They will shout when they want to. They will laugh when they want to. They will cry for no reason because they feel like it. हम कब करते हैं? हम कब करते हैं? And you know, try doing it for like 10 minutes. आपको इतना uncomfortable लगेगा कि यार मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? Like just try and dance freely for 10 minutes and you'll be like, ये कितना liberating है.
Yes.
So I think just being, and they're also selfless in a way, right? They don't expect a lot from others around them. So they don't get bogged down by when somebody says no to them. उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
So these are actually life lessons, let alone business lessons.
And sometimes we, just because we have people around us, our expectations out of them are so high that half the times we are disappointed just क्योंकि हमारी expectations थी उनसे. इसलिए नहीं कि उन्होंने कुछ किया. हम लोग उनसे इतना expect करते हैं. Like you look at kids, you tell them 100 no, वो like 111वीं बार भी आके आपसे पूछेंगे. please.
That's consistency.
Yeah, and that's not getting bogged down by the number of
Yeah.
no's that you get. I think मैं अपने बच्चों को at least 50 ना तो बोलती होंगी दिन में. Like whatever little time I spend
Yes.
with them, don't do this, don't write on the walls. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? And they like, वो 100 बार मेरे को बोलेगा, मम्मा शूज ले दो, मम्मा शूज ले दो, मम्मा शूज ले दो. तो either I tell him कि यार you do this, and then this is your reward, you get it. या तो वो मान जाता है, या वो कहता है नहीं बट फिट नहीं हो रहे, प्लीज ले दो. They are not worried about how people perceive them. They are not worried about what is the
I want
response.
this.
Yes, like consistent, assertive.
Passionate.
Yes,
चाहिए तो चाहिए.
चाहिए तो चाहिए. जिद तो करते हैं ना.
हाँ.
उस जिद में कितना पावर है.
I
अगर
know.
हम करना शुरू कर दे जिद on what we
Exactly.
want, imagine
Right.
हम लोग
In
कितना
fact,
कुछ more.
जितना भी हमने पाया है, that's because all the zid that we have
Yes,
done in our life.
yes.
That's so true. 3 common habits which are necessary for a successful business and for healthy lifestyle.
Having boring habits.
Boring habits.
Your habits need to be boring.
Okay.
Consistent.
Right.
If they are not boring, then
Yes.
they are not habits.
I actually, thought of a few habits and they were actually boring.
Yes.
But
yes.
very important.
So boring habits से consistency
Yes.
आती है, which is I think very
Hmm.
very important both in business and at work. And I would say passion. Like you have to feel very strongly, be it your health, be it your work. You should know your why. For example, my passion for my health is मैं हेल्दी रहूँगी तो मैं अपने आसपास सबका ध्यान बहुत अच्छे से रख सकती हूँ, चाहे वो मेरी टीम है, चाहे वो मेरी फैमिली है. Because I've gone through that incident of being hospitalized twice every year for 3 years. So I think that for me is critical. Even for your work, right? Things will get tough. And जब tough होती है तो आप अपनी life choices evaluate करते हो कि यार क्यों किया मैंने ये, is it worth it, it's taking such a toll on me. But having a strong why, thinking about why did you start this.
Why did you start? Keeps you moving.
Yes.
Which is your favorite Mamaearth product?
Oh my god. मैं खुद सारे products में काम करती हूँ. This is very difficult. But I think one product which यार बहुत ही मुश्किल है. क्या
I know it's like choose. You have to choose your favorite child.
So I will not
Yeah.
talk skincare because skincare में मैं one नहीं बोल सकती. Let me pick up something that I'm really proud of is coming up with certified safe toxin-free makeup in Mamaearth.
Oh, that's
One
amazing.
category that like the team and I worked really hard on, and
Uh-huh.
we've cracked beautiful products for sensitive lips, for sensitive eyes.
Wow.
So I would say one product that's a non-negotiable for me. I will never use any other brand is Mamaearth lipsticks.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So not a lot of
Amazing.
lipsticks suit me. A
Mhm.
lot of lipsticks are super high in silicone, and I have very sensitive skin. So मेरे ना side of the lips chap हो जाते हैं, and they're
Okay.
like deep
Uh-huh.
cuts. So if the lipstick is not of good quality, it gives those deep cuts, and then it takes
Cracks.
months and months to
Mhm.
heal. So I only use Mamaearth lipsticks, and that no matter how many reapplications, no matter you have it, like I apply it in the morning. I don't do any reapplication throughout the day. I go home at 7 and it's still there, very nicely moisturized. These are moisture matte lipsticks. I guarantee you, if you use them compared to any lipstick that you're using today, you will not find
Really? Oh,
anything.
wow.
I can like I'm actually okay giving that challenge
Undoubtedly,
out.
your favorite, like
Yeah,
your
yeah.
most passionate product. I can see that. And
मतलब I genuinely feel that there's no
Hmm.
better lipstick out there, which
Uh-huh.
gives you the right kind of moisture so
Yeah.
that your lips don't feel dry, which is free of usual toxins and has very less iron oxide,
Mhm.
which is a very common ingredient in other lipsticks.
Uh-huh.
It will not harm your lips in any way, like those cuts and deep cracks,
Mhm.
etc. It's very easy to remove, and it is long lasting.
Amazing.
And when you apply it on your lips, you will feel you have nothing on your lips. It's that light.
Good.
I'm
What
very proud
else?
of it.
What else does your lip want?
What else? do you
Yeah.
do for it? Apart from lip balm while you're sleeping
Yes.
at night, which is like a lip
Yes.
care product. But yes, what else does your lip need?
Great, Ghazal. It was fantastic.
This was such an enriching conversation. Thank you for having me.
It was a pleasure and thank you so much.
Hey, thank you.
Wasn't that such a heartwarming and insightful conversation? मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि जितना मैंने इस पॉडकास्ट को एंजॉय किया, शायद आपने भी उतना ही इसको सुनते वक्त एंजॉय किया होगा. आपको इस पूरे पॉडकास्ट की सबसे अच्छी चीज़ क्या लगी, प्लीज़ कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा. मिलते हैं अगले पॉडकास्ट में. टिल देन, फिट रहो, हिट रहो.